In this video, you will learn how to add vertical line in Microsoft Excel graph. Currently, you can see here I have generated a Microsoft Excel graph and I have inserted vertical line in this graph. So let's learn how to insert vertical line in Microsoft Excel graph. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In the separate sheet, I have already entered data. To save time, firstly, I will generate a graph. I will select this data. After selecting this data, go to Insert option. And here you will find the option of Scatter chart. Select this one. From here, I will choose this one. Scatter with smooth line. Select this one. Now I will conditionally format this graph. I will place it here. After that, here you will find the option of plus sign, which is the chart element option. Select this one. Deselect these grid lines. And I will insert axis title. I will check this option. After doing that, click here. Now click on this plot area. Go to this format option. And here is the option of shape outline. Select this one. Firstly, select color. I will select black color. Again, go to shape outline option. And here is the option of weight. Select this one. I will choose 1.5 pt. Select this one. Now you will learn how to insert vertical line. Click here. Right click. Here you will find the option of select data. Click on it. Here is the option of add. Click on this one. Now you will find different options. First one is the series name. Left it blank. Here is the option of series X values. Here I will choose values from X axis. For example, I am interested to insert solid line on this point, which is the 2014. So I will write 2014 two times. 2014, comma 2014. If you are interested to insert vertical line on other point, for example, if you are interested to insert vertical line on 2016, then you will write 2016 two times instead of 2014. After that, here is the option of series Y values. I will write 0, comma, and maximum value, which is the 70,000. Click on OK. Now you can see here we have inserted series 2. After that, click on OK again. Now Microsoft Excel will insert a blank graph. Now click here. Again click on this graph and press backspace to delete this one. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has inserted a vertical line. Click on this line. Right click. Go to Format Data Series. And here is the option of final line. Select solid line. Select the color of this line. I will select red. From here you can adjust the width of this line. I will select 2.25. Scroll down. Here is the option of dash type. Select this one. From here I will choose this one. I will close this one. You can still adjust the values of this vertical line. Click here. Right click. Again go to select data option. Here is the option of series 2. Select this one. Go to edit option. And from here you can change values. For example, I am interested to insert this line on this point, which is the 2016. I will change it to 2016. Similarly, I will change maximum value to 65,000. Click on OK. Again on OK. Now you can see here we have successfully changed the location of this line. So by following this tutorial, you can easily insert vertical line in Microsoft Excel graph. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.